OK。
7尾。
好了。
啊
5个。
This is the primary brake pan frame. So all the brackets were the same for the electrical components, for the engine brackets, for the gas tank, and also for the rear rocket rake. And the same, we will put the bearing cap on the handlebar post, and also for the pedal cranch post. In order to easy to assemble the bike, so we will put the main stand on the frame first. So this is the main stand. As the WC199 we use on the whizzer motorbike. So use this main stand, you can easy to assemble the front fork for the engine, and for the front wheel and the rear wheel. So the next step, we will show you step by step how to assemble the complete engine kit on this frame as become a home built bike. So the details of the main stand assemble just like this. So this is 2 brackets, and just put the main stand on the frame, and between the main stand and the frame there is a rubber to protect the pan. And here is the 2 brackets and the nut. You just tighten them on, and then you can put the bike stand like this. So you can easy to assemble the front fork. And after you assemble the front fork, you can assemble the front wheel. After you have the one wheel, you can put the bike like this way, and then you can assemble the rear wheel with the transmission and the engine and all the stuff. Later you put the main wire harness on and the gas tank on, the seat on, and then you test the bike, the engine start, and then you can enjoy to drive the bike. Thank you.